knows that this is because she loves me. I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare
That's not what you were going off of.
I don't give a fuck.
Things you didn't know had names, part 12. You're gonna think I made today's word up, but it's 100% real. Niggly wiggly. What the heck is that?
Oh my gosh, he really wants to. Ah! She hit my jawbone!
Remember the times we had, the times that you and me had.
Heart's been broken too many times. I don't know what to believe. Because at this point, because I'm strong and I'm an independent person, because I'm a purpose. Okay, so get out of my life.
Girl, you look like you on crack. Your eyes are so close on your head, like something just scared the hell out of you.
Guys, people ask me this question all the time. No, it's not a burn, and no, it's not a birthmark. It's an obnoxiously large hickey from your mom.
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
Roses are red. I might be deaf. It's nice to meet you.
My name is Jeff. Lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me. I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. 106.
I got it. No, it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just give him. Just give him my card. Okay. Good.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Your fucking card.
Thank you. Have a good one.
anime is an important part of our culture?
Oh, look at him tremble. He's gonna burst a blood vessel because I dissed his wife.
Don't you like it when these diamonds look? I'm a little closer, sexy boy.
Are you coming to the tree? You're strong enough for me. They say
Wipe it down.
Dad?
Wipe it down.
Sparks fly. It's like electricity. I might die.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading.
Wow. I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the street.
That's just what gangsters do. I'm fucked up.
Let's make the most of the night like we're gonna die.
Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
Have you ever seen a whirlpool in a Big Lots parking lot? Well, now you have. Now you have seen a whirlpool in a Big Lots park.
I pull up, stuff in the kitchen. Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini. cop car with a pistol.
I'm actually bugging. I always thought this is what I looked like. And now you're telling me I look like this? I don't care that much. I don't really have a preference. I just feel lied to.
Wait a minute.
Notice how I didn't flinch. This is because of Newton's third law of photosynthesis.
Lección 1. Actividad 3. Listen to the following audio. María y Juan are going to the mountains. María, vamos a las montañas. Vamos a llevar vasos de agua para los niños. Sí, Juan.
Are you too cheap to buy yourself a hairbrush? No problem. Just go ahead and put hot glue onto your foot scrubber and let it dry. Then waste your time making about 5 of these type of comb shapes. After you waste your time, start hot gluing them onto your foot scrubber. Lastly, just comb your hair. And wow, look at her hair. It still looks bad.
If I decide to have a kid and I give birth, like whoever's in the room, if they hold the baby, that purple, bloody baby, look at it, look at me and go, oh, it looks just like you. I will knock you the fuck out. Newborn babies are ugly as shit. That shriveled up alien. Newborn babies look like my big toe after I step in dog pee, and you gonna tell me it looks like me? Shut up.
I've made a deal with my dad. If I become TikTok famous before summer, I won't need to go to college anymore. This is my 7th video, and I'm gonna build the biggest cut pyramid you've ever seen and then destroy it! You know the drill by now. I've spent thousands of dollars and worked on this for weeks. This video and my next video are my last shots to reach 5 million followers before summer. So my next video is gonna be the most epic thing I have ever done. Buckle up, because things are gonna get way crazier from now on.
Don't let it flop, guys!
I can't get my last gummy vitamin out. My fingers won't. Oh my god, I did it! Yay!
Whenever I think me and my mom are having a one-on-one private gossip section, then she'll go and tell my father everything we talked about, right? Why? Why are you so fake?
I don't know.
She doesn't know.
Someone explain to me what's happening. Look, I have a glass of milk and a shot glass, and somehow all the liquid in this glass fits in this glass. Look, all of it. What in the hell? What's happening?
In the word ocean, CE sounds like sh. And the word about, the OU sounds like owl, OW. And kernel, OLO, sounds like ER, kernel. So technically shower could be spelled like this.
Wayne Towers, that is, if I let you last a week.
But, Pookie, you promised you wouldn't hurt them.
Not here, Kitten Whiskers. Daddy will discuss it later.
Am I in it?
Nope.
Starships were meant to fly and up and touch the sky. Lights up, 'cause we're so high.
Colors and promises. How to be brave. How can I love when I...
You're never gonna believe this, right? But I'm extremely shirtless, extremely fried, very shirtless, and just like in a field full of cows, bro. Like.
My mom said I am no longer allowed to play with sticks outside because I eat them and swallow them and shit them out and my asshole bleeds. It's not my fault they taste fucking better than my shit brown dog food that smells like dead fish. Fuck her and her fucking no stick rule, she is a fat fucking bitch.
Can you guys watch my sandwich real quick? I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.